A program meant to protect public health is facing trouble in Manchester. The Public Health Department is raising alarm over low compliance among barbers and hairdressers who are required by law to be certified to operate. But as Sandy Williams explains, the matter makes the public vulnerable to the spread of diseases.
The Manchester Public Health Department, in partnership with the Municipal Corporation, has been offering free certification and training to barbers and hairdressers. But officials say the turnout has been alarmingly low, and that could put clients at risk. Chief Public Health Inspector Charmaine Palmer-Cross says authorities expected far more participation.
We were really disappointed in the uptake because we know that out there we have quite a number of barbers and hairdressers who are in need of free certification at this stage.
The certification ensures beauty professionals know how to properly clean and sanitize tools, a key step in preventing infections. Mrs. Palmer-Cross warns that when equipment isn't disinfected between clients, diseases can spread quickly.
And you'll have fungal infections that can be passed from one person, one client to another. And so disinfecting and sanitizing the equipment is really a critical thing in between use and in between clients.
In some cases, the consequences show up among children.
Sometimes when you go into the schools and when you look around and you see the children with, ringworm and a number of other things, sometimes it's as a result of not sanitizing the tools accurately or correctly or in between use.
Compliance in the parish is sitting at just 40%, far below what authorities say is acceptable.
And we really need to step that up to at least a 90%. And this is why it is so important for us to go on this drive.
She's warning those who ignore the rules, they could face serious consequences.
We're going to be turn down a lot of these licenses. We're not going to recommend these licenses. And if they are not recommended, then they will be practicing illegally. And so we're going to then engage the police and the municipal corporation to ensure that enforcement actions are stepped up.
In the meantime, the public is being urged to play its part.
To just ensure that wherever you go to get your manicure, your facial, your hair and so forth taken care of, that you ensure that these persons are in fact certified.
The Chief Public Health Inspector says clinics and training sessions remain open. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.